Today we're going to be making the 90-second keto bread again. Today we're going to be using 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon or about of your favorite cheese. And we're using shredded sharp cheese today. And you'll need 1 tablespoon of melted butter in a microwavable safe bowl or ramekin. Today we're using a mug. 1 egg. Almond flour. Your baking powder and your pinch of salt. Let's add your 1 tablespoon of cheese. Let's give everything a good mix. Let's go microwave that for about 90 seconds, and when it's done, we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Pop it out of the mug and check it out. Okay guys, so our 90-second keto bread is done. It feels pretty fluffy. Now let's pop it out and see what it looks like on the placemat, so I don't get it all, the cloth one all dirty. I don't know how it's going to come out of the mug, but I got a spoon to slide it out. We're going to be using a piece of paper towel because it is still warm. Okay, so we're going to have to run a spoon. Let's pop it out with a spoon. That's what it looks like from that side. It's nice and fluffy. So what I'd probably do with this is just cut it in half, and then you can toast that. Probably pop that in the air fryer. But look at that, guys, huh? That's all the cheese. See how this cuts. You can see I cut it in the middle just to see how well it cut. The texture feels pretty close to bread. And I suppose if you don't like almond flour, you could probably use coconut flour. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Showing you different angles. Again, you can, this already has cheese in it. What I'd probably do is fry up an egg and throw an egg on top of it, maybe with a pork sausage and one of those round patties that I have. Make a nice sandwich, or you can even put a couple slices of deli meat, or maybe some tuna fish, or what is your favorite go-to sandwich? You know, this is going to probably be one of my favorites. Just try a little bite. Pull up a little piece. Really good. I'm really impressed. Again, you could toast that up. You're gonna make a nice grilled cheese sandwich out of it. And what I would do is, if I grilled it, I would grill it on both sides, and then if I made a grilled cheese, I'd put it on the opposite side like that. Again, I used a round mug there, but if you had a square mug, it would have that nice and square like a regular slice of bread. But let me know in the show more what you guys think. Anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.